An interesting article from foodbev.com. Kelpi secures 4.3 million pound investment for seaweed-based packaging solution. UK-based materials innovation company Kelpi has raised 4.3 million pounds, 5.5 million US, to accelerate the commercialization of its seaweed-based packaging technology, aiming to replace single-use plastic packaging and mitigate global plastic pollution. The funding round was spearheaded by Blackfinch Ventures, with participation from Green Angel Ventures, Cadmos Capital, QuantX, Even Load Foundation, Southwest Investment Fund, Bristol Private Equity Club, One Planet Capital, and private angel investors. Originally targeting £3 million, Kelpi surpassed its goal, highlighting strong investor confidence in its innovative approach. Kelpi's proprietary coating, derived from sustainably farmed seaweed, can be applied to paper and card, providing an eco-friendly alternative to plastic packaging. This coating is compostable, recyclable, and marine safe, breaking down completely in a matter of months without leaving toxins or microplastics. Kelpi CEO Neil Morris said this landmark investment enables Kelpi to scale up our pioneering work and take to market our world-leading packaging material that is already being chosen by clients. Kelpi can now play a key role in ending our dependence on fossil fuels to create single-use packaging and so eliminating a major source of plastic pollution. The investment will facilitate the expansion of Kelpi's team, enabling large-scale pilot projects and the completion of regulatory approvals. The company plans to launch its seaweed-based packaging commercially by mid-2025. This move aligns with the growing demand for sustainable packaging solutions in the food and beverage, cosmetics, and personal care industries as companies seek to reduce their environmental footprint. Ruben Wilcock, head of ventures at Blackfinch, added, Kelpi stood out to us as a strong combination of world-leading scientific innovation with extensive entrepreneurial experience. Their technology has immense commercial potential, and we're excited to be backing the company to scale up and go to market. Currently, 99% of single-use plastic packaging is produced from fossil fuels, and only 9% of plastic is recycled globally. The UN Environment Program warns that if current trends continue, the plastic industry could account for 20% of the world's total oil consumption by 2050. We've been consistently impressed with Kelpi's team technology. Cam Ross, CEO of Green Angel Ventures, commented, at scale, the Kelpi approach will play a vital role in reducing fossil fuel dependency, addressing climate change, and impacting plastic pollution. By leveraging renewable feedstocks like seaweed, Kelpi's packaging not only offers environmental benefits, but also matches or exceeds the performance of traditional plastics, particularly in terms of water resistance and durability against greasy or acidic contents. As the global demand for sustainable packaging solutions grows, Kelpi's breakthrough technology is poised to make a significant impact, supported by strong investor backing and strategic partnerships with industry leaders like L'Oreal, Diageo, and Waitrose. End of article. So that's very interesting assortment and list of investors here. We see Blackfinch Ventures, which was the sort of anchor investor, Green Angel Ventures, Cadmos Capital, QuantX, Even Load Foundation, Southwest Investment Fund, Bristol Private Equity Club, One Planet Capital, and numerous other private angel investors. So they were targeting £3 million, and they got £4.3 million. So they have a now proprietary coating derived from sustainably farmed seaweed, which can be applied to paper and cardboard, providing eco-friendly alternatives to plastic packaging. So that's really quite a good business model. If they're able to keep their costs low with the seaweed, then they will have a growing number of potential clients that are looking for this packaging solution, which they mentioned is able to be biodegradable, and it offers environmental benefits, but also matches or exceeds the performance of traditional plastics, particularly in terms of water resistance and durability against greasy or acidic contents. So it's really quite a innovative and interesting project here, and hopefully they'll able to create something, as they said here with L'Oreal, Diageo, and Waitrose. They're able to have some MVP and POC with their packaging, and then they can expand from there. And I'm assuming that many dozens more companies that produce F&B products will be looking to partner and contract with Kelpi for their packaging in order to perhaps cut costs, provide alternative packaging, provide green packaging, be environmentally friendly, and then this also benefits the brands on their side because they're able to market that and promote that as green packaging. So it's a win-win. So looking forward to seeing just how market ready and how price conscientious and price efficient the strategy is and their production is. And then if it is efficient enough, then of course they'll be able to generate revenue and make it profitable. So let's hope that is the case for Kelpi and their investors.